Oh, great. It's time to get to work. Bye, honey. Man, I hope I can make it. Okay, if I can just get in this car and go, I'll make it to work. Oh, you've got to be joking me. I have to do this the old-fashioned way. Alright, hopefully this thing will start. Oh, man. Won't start. Key fob's dead. Alright guys, it's Chad here with G-Reviews. I'm going to show you the quickest way that I know how to change the battery on one of these Dodge, Chrysler, Fiat, Ram key fobs. This is for a 2016 Dodge Charger. For many other vehicles, it's almost the exact same one. Obviously, Dodge had an older version that looked kind of like this. But this is for the current generation Dodge Charger. Alright guys, no matter what people tell you, you do not need any tools to actually change the battery in this. If you don't want what happened in my previous little part of the video to happen to you, all you have to do is listen to your dash. It'll tell you about a month before this battery goes out that your key fob battery is low. And I'm going to put a picture of that somewhere in the video to show you guys. Alright, to change the battery, the first thing you need to do, remove the actual physical key. Little switch here, push it up. If I can get it, there we go. Pull out the key, okay? This is the only tool that you need. Alright, in the bottom, you have the slot the key came out of and another slot. Okay, all you're going to want to do is insert this key into that slot, like so, and pretty much turn this way. Turn 90 degrees and it'll pop right open. So we're going to do that right here. Alright, 90 degrees. Alright, popped right open. No problems there. Alright, this comes apart into two halves. You don't have to worry about any wires being, in between the two. You just separate the two halves. And there you go, guys. Obviously, here's the battery. Again, you can use this key as the tool. You find the part where this is open right here, and you just literally pop it right out. There you guys go. Alright, the only thing you're going to need is a new, let's see if it'll focus. Let's see if it'll focus. Alright, a CR2032 3-volt button cell battery. Alright, when installing a new battery, okay, all you're going to need to do is, you'll see this little thing right here, this little positive. So make sure you put the positive side of the battery down. You can't just force it straight in, you got to put it at an angle. So these little clips right here will grab it. Alright, easy as that. Like I said again, there's no wires, so this comes apart in two sections. One of the easiest key fobs you'll ever have to do. You just pretty much force the two sides back together. You are going to hear some popping because those are the clips coming back together. And there you guys have it. All done. And that's how to change a Dodge key fob battery. If you liked the video, give me some likes and some thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys. Bye.